Hey everybody, welcome to HEPPY. We're on a little bit of a hiatus from gardening. It's at the end of July right now. It's hot as hell, but what we do every couple of years is accumulate 2 years of wood. So sorry for not updating this YouTube channel. I noticed this morning it's been several months since I uploaded the last video. I just wanted to show you what it's like to be a self-sustaining home. We heat by firewood in the winter, and right now the picking is real good for getting this wood out of forests. Oaks, maple, back over there is the ash. We're gonna do, I don't know, about 6 cords of wood, maybe 7 cords of wood. That's what we're doing. Happy self-sustaining. Take care, everyone.